Did you know the first makeup brushes were actually made from animal hair, bone, and shell? Today, we're fortunate to have a variety of brushes at our disposal, each designed for a specific purpose. Let's take a quick journey back in time. Ancient Egyptians, known for their love of cosmetics, used primitive brushes made from materials found in nature. Fast forward to the Elizabethan era, where the use of brushes evolved, incorporating materials such as horsehair and badger fur. The 20th century brought a revolution in makeup applicators. Artists started to design brushes with specific functions in mind, giving birth to the extensive range of brushes we see today. From foundation brushes to eyeshadow blenders, we have a tool for every beauty need. The key takeaway? Using the right brush for the right purpose can elevate your makeup game. Understanding each brush's purpose is the first step to mastering the art of makeup application. Starting with the base, foundation brushes are essential for achieving a flawless complexion. These brushes are typically flat with tightly packed bristles, designed to seamlessly blend your foundation into the skin. They come in a variety of shapes and sizes, but the most common ones are the flat foundation brush, which is perfect for liquid formulas, and the buffing brush, favored for its ability to work foundation into the skin for a natural look. Now, how do you use these brushes? Begin by applying a small amount of foundation onto the brush. Then, in gentle circular motions, blend the foundation onto your skin, starting from the center of your face and working your way outwards. This technique ensures an even and smooth finish. Remember, the aim is not to paint your face, but to create a second skin. With the right foundation brush and technique, you can create a perfect canvas for the rest of your makeup. Next up are concealer brushes, your secret weapon for covering up blemishes and dark circles. Concealer brushes are typically smaller than foundation brushes, with a pointed tip for precise application. They are designed to target specific areas and imperfections, allowing for a more controlled and concentrated application of product. Think of your concealer brush as your personal magic wand, helping you to disappear those pesky spots and under-eye circles. By gently dabbing the brush on the area you wish to conceal, you'll be able to deposit just the right amount of product. But the real magic happens when you start to blend. Use the brush to softly blend the concealer into your skin, feathering out the edges to avoid any harsh lines. This will create a seamless transition between your concealer and your foundation. Remember, the key to using a concealer brush is blending for a seamless finish. Powder brushes, with their fluffy bristles, are perfect for loose or pressed powders. These brushes are typically large with a rounded shape to cover maximum surface area, and their soft, natural bristles are designed to pick up just the right amount of powder. When using a powder brush, the key is to lightly tap the brush to shake off any excess before applying it to your face. This helps to avoid caking or a heavy, overdone look. The powder should be applied in a sweeping motion, working from the center of the face outward. This technique ensures an even distribution for a flawless finish. Remember, the goal is to set your makeup, not to change the color of your foundation. So choose a powder that matches your skin tone or is translucent. A quality powder brush is a worthwhile investment. It's an essential tool that can take your makeup application to the next level. The result? A smooth, matte finish that lasts all day. For a pop of color on your cheeks, you'll need a blush brush. This essential tool in your makeup kit is specifically designed to pick up just the right amount of blush and distribute it evenly on your cheeks. A blush brush is typically rounded or angled, with long, soft bristles that gently sweep across the skin. The best way to use a blush brush is to lightly dip it into a powder blush, then tap off any excess. You then want to apply the blush to the apples of your cheeks in a sweeping upward motion towards your hairline. This technique helps to lift and define your cheekbones, giving your face a natural, youthful look. If you're using a cream or liquid blush, you'll want to dab it onto your cheeks first, then use a clean blush brush to blend it out for a seamless finish. With a blush brush, you can achieve a natural rosy glow. Eyeshadow brushes come in various shapes and sizes for different effects. Let's dive in. First up, we have the flat, stiff brush. This brush is perfect for packing color onto your lids with precision. Next, the stiff dome brush is your go-to for blending those harsh lines and creating a seamless transition of colors. Now, meet the pencil brush. This little gem is ideal for adding depth to the crease and outer corners of your eyes. And let's not forget the fluffy dome brush, a must-have for blending out those edges and softening the overall look. Lastly, the angled liner brush doubles up as an eyeshadow brush, helping you to create sharp lines and detailed patterns. Remember, the key is not just the brush you use, but how you use it. Brush strokes matter, folks. With these brushes, you can create a variety of eye-catching looks. Nailing that winged liner is a breeze with the right eyeliner brush. Eyeliner brushes are a must-have in every makeup kit. They're specially designed to allow for precise application, helping you achieve that perfect, crisp line. They come in a variety of shapes and sizes, each with a unique purpose. The angled liner brush, with its slanted bristles, is perfect for creating sharp, defined lines. The flat liner brush, on the other hand, is great for a softer, smoky effect. And the pointed liner brush? It's your go-to for detailed work and intricate designs. Now let's hear from our expert, who will demonstrate the application of eyeliner using these brushes. Watch how the brush glides smoothly along the lash line, depositing just the right amount of product. Note the expert's steady hand and the way she uses short strokes to build up the line. An eyeliner brush gives you precision control for a perfect line every time. Last but not least, lip brushes help you achieve a perfectly shaped and colored pout. Lip brushes are a makeup artist's secret weapon for creating a flawless lip look. They come in a variety of shapes and sizes, but they all share a common purpose: to apply lipstick or gloss with precision and control. A good lip brush has a firm, pointed tip for outlining the lips and flat sides to fill in color. The key is to load up the brush with your lip product of choice, and then apply it in short, sweeping strokes, starting from the center of your lips and working your way outwards. This technique helps to prevent feathering and ensures an even application. Lip brushes are not just for bold, dramatic looks. They can also be used to create a soft, natural finish with sheer lipsticks or glosses. In short, a lip brush can give you that professional, polished finish. Now that you're familiar with the different types of brushes, it's important to know how to care for them. Just like any other tool, makeup brushes need regular maintenance to keep them in top shape. And trust me, your skin will thank you for it too. Brushes can become a breeding ground for bacteria if not cleaned regularly, leading to breakouts and skin irritation. But fear not, taking care of your brushes is a breeze, and with these tips, you'll be a pro in no time. First off, let's talk about frequency. How often should you clean your brushes? For brushes used with liquid or cream products, aim to clean them once a week. Brushes used with powder products can be cleaned every 2 weeks. And beauty sponges? Well, those should be cleaned after every use. Now, onto the cleaning process. You'll need a gentle, fragrance-free soap or a specialized brush cleaner. Wet the bristles with lukewarm water and apply a small amount of soap. Gently massage the bristles to break up any product buildup. Rinse thoroughly, ensuring all soap is removed. Be careful not to submerge the brush entirely in water, as this can loosen the glue holding the bristles in place. When it comes to drying, lay the brushes flat on a clean towel. Avoid standing them upright as water can seep into the handle and cause damage. It's also key to reshape the brush head while it's still damp to maintain its form. For a deep clean, consider using a silicone brush cleaning mat. The textured surface helps to dislodge stubborn product buildup. And remember, if your brushes start to shed or the bristles feel harsh on your skin, it may be time to replace them. Regular maintenance of your brushes doesn't just keep them in good condition, it also ensures optimal makeup application. Dirty brushes can lead to streaky foundation and patchy eyeshadow, which is the last thing we want. Taking good care of your brushes not only extends their lifespan, but also ensures the best makeup application. A well-cared-for brush is a joy to use, and your makeup will look all the better for it. So remember, clean brushes are happy brushes. As we've seen, brushes are an integral part of any makeup routine. From the foundational base to the precise strokes of eyeliner, each brush has its unique role. Foundation brushes ensure a flawless start, concealer brushes help hide those little imperfections, and powder brushes set it all in place. Then we have blush brushes, adding a touch of color to our cheeks, and eyeshadow brushes, letting us play with shades and depths on our lids. Eyeliner brushes give us the power of precision, and lip brushes let us paint our smiles with accuracy. And let's not forget the importance of caring for our brushes. Cleaning and storing them properly can extend their lifespan and maintain their effectiveness. So, there you have it. A comprehensive guide to the art of makeup brushes. With the right brushes and techniques, you can truly master the art of makeup. So go ahead, pick up a brush and start creating your masterpiece.